course, mahal ko siya. Pero hindi ko ma-explain in right words eh.
Mahal na mahal ko talaga siya, syempre. Hindi ko ma-describe eh. Parang
Na parang kulang yung words to express.
hindi sapat yung words eh para ma-describe kung gaano ko siya kamahal.
But na-feel ko talaga na siya na yung right person.
Ala eh, di ko ma-explain eh. Pero alam ko lang sa sarili ko na mahal ko siya.
Nagkakilala kami ni Jerry sa first work ko sa C-Square. He is one of my seniors then. Masungit siya kasi very serious yung face niya. Medyo galit yung mukha niya. Actually, pinagkikismisan pa namin siya dati na masungit siya talaga, ganyan. Talagang hindi namin siya gusto.
Hindi na siya. Yan. Bakit ba yung paano mo?
Ito na yung road ko. Pwedeng tanggalin. Charot.
Darling, if you need me, you just gotta let me know. I'm coming home.
Jerry, in the presence of our Lord Jesus Christ, our dearest family and friends, I promise to be your constant companion and your biggest supporter. I choose you as my partner, my confidant, and forever love.
Whether Dublin or LA. I need you here with me.
Naging close kami kasi sabay kami umuwi sometimes. Kasi late na ako umuwi pagka sports fest. Nanonood pa ako or minsan nag-OT. Tapos inaantay niya talaga ako.
One more night and then I'll be.
Parang backslance eh. Hi, my love. I tried my best just to find this specific model that you're always searching in YouTube. But unfortunately, no stocks here in the Philippines. So for now, I just give you the proof of transaction. You can have it next week.
Day or night, rain or shine, wrong or right, I'm on my way. Day or night, rain or shine, wrong or right,
Hahaha, ganun.
I'm on my way home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Actually, hindi ko pa rin parang ma-feel na ito na yung day. Parang ang bilis. Kasi dati, lagi niya lang akong hinahatid at sinusundo. Parang after this, hindi niya na kailangan gawin yun. Dahil simula ngayon, makakatipid ka na sa gas.
Like a lifeboat when you're lost at sea.
Dayan, simula nung niligawan kita at naging tayo, alam ko nang ikaw ang pakakasalan ko at makakasama ko habang buhay. Dumating na yung araw na yun, ang simula ng buhay natin bilang mag-asawa.
Hold on to me.
Dami namang balot. Nakabalot pa sa loob. Ang papayog na loob.
Hold on. Hold on. May your heart be strong. May your fears be.
I wanna say thank you with all of my heart na dumating ka sa buhay ko. I was waiting for you actually. I was waiting for the right guy and you came in a perfect time, in a perfect place of course.
To me.
Kita ba yung silhouette?
I will hold you
Silhouette.
when the stars fade out. I will catch you when the tears fall down.
If ever your days become dark, I vow to be your guiding light. I promise to hold your hands as we go through life's trials. You are my heart's deepest wish that came to life, and I'm excited about the future we will create together. I love you.
Hold on. Hold on. May your heart be strong. May your fears be weak. Hold on. Hold on. When you feel like letting go,
Jerry and Diane, finally, we say yes to the plan of God. That God falls in love with us.
New sunrise.
I'm marrying you because it's simple, you know. I just love you. I love you.
Listen to the sound of my heartbeat. My love, don't let go. Hold on to me. My love, don't let go. Hold on to me.